Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another TryHackMe CTF Collections number 2. In today's video, we are going to complete this loom. That is to grab the remaining flags from the 18th to 20th. So maybe 17th? I cannot remember very well. So including 17th flag. Without further ado, let's head over to Reconnaissance to start. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot to check a hint of this flag. So the being binary to decimal, and oh, sorry, what I'm doing. So in other words, we need to, make a decoding following steps. Okay, let me go back to the Reconnaissance. Actually, we can find the binary data in the source code when we access the main page or the home page. Okay, and we can copy, and then we can go to, alternatively, we can use Python to decode. But this website can make our life much easier. We just copy, the original encoded data, and then we can get the flag. Okay, so easy. We can paste over here. So now, of course, the 19th flag has been gathered already. So how about the 18th flag? What it's about. So 18th, let's check. So request header. So very easy. We just manipulate request header with the Burp Suite. Okay. Let me go back to the browser. Let me enable intercept option, and then we can trigger request one more time, and then we can add one more key value pair. So should be your format is egg, yes, egg, yes. Okay, and we can send it to repeater or module and send the request to the target to see whether we have really grabbed the flag. Let me search. So Easter, but this 17th, the flag. Yes, and we can find this. This should be the 18th flag. We can copy and paste on my notebook. So this should be Easter 18. Just as said, we have already grabbed the 19th flag. So how about the last one? Let me check. It's a hint. So we need to post the data instead of a get. Actually, if you go back to the browser and check its source code, and you can find something interesting. Oh. So they're too lazy. Did you know? Blah, 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 blah. So how about yes, I got the Easter 20 for you. I leave the credential for you to post. So the username and the password. And you know, we need to change the method from get to post, and also need to include this information to submit. Let me copy and paste over here. Very easy. We just use Burp Suite. Okay. Let me enable interception of one more time. And so what shall we do next? We need to manipulate request whole header. Sorry. For example, the method should be changed to post. Okay. And we need to put the body. Let me cancel. So the body, can we request body? Yes, here we can add. So the username is what? Let me copy. Add and add one more key value pair, password. Okay, is done. Added. So then we can, maybe we can send it to repeater module, so then we can manipulate everything here. Send it. So maybe we can search Easter. Okay. Easter 70. Yes, we can get the last flag. Great. Of course, if you use command line, you need to specify this field. You know, this content type. Why I suggest we should manipulate request header and the body on the right. And you know, this field can be appended automatically. We do not need to manually generate it or insert it. You know, this would be more convenient for us. Okay? So with that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day, please.